2021 Chevy Camaro 4-cylinder turbo. There's the downpipe. There's the stock catalytic converter. Downpipe with 3-inch pipe all the way. Then they put it down to 2-inch. I have no idea why, but you know, engineers for you. There's that gigantic muffler we just took off, and tailpipes and tips. And this is not our work. This is from the factory. This is what it looks like. I don't know why. But what we did on it, we did a rear muffler delete there and there, and cut this gigantic muffler off and put 4-inch tips, double walled, there and there. We'll see if we have a link in the description for it for you guys. That's how you do a muffler delete on these 4-cylinder turbos. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And share. You can hear the whistle a little bit. Give it gas. Higher. It's right at 100. Gotta back it up. Still sounds pretty good, even though it's a 4-cylinder, but it's okay. I like the whistle. Not too bad. Chevy Camaro 4-cylinder turbo. Not bad. Still deep. It's not raspy. Sounds actually better than the V6s. I like it. You can actually hear it now. Let you guys hear on the inside. I like the look of them, the sleek look. Get the phone! Chevy Camaro 2021. Rear muffler delete and 4-inch tips.